Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am showing you guys my film premiere I'm in. It's a music video, I'm the lead actress in it, and I can't wait to show you guys when it comes out. But for now, I'm gonna do a little behind the scenes. I'm in theaters today with my friend Marcus Rodriguez. He is the lead singer, he is the musician, he created this whole story. So without further ado, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Press that bell down below to be alerted for each week I post a new video. Love you guys, get excited! Also, this is my dress. So sparkly, love it, obsessed.
Hey,
Hi!
I'm looking at it. Why you look so different?
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, so many people popped up.
Stop it. That's crazy. I'm a big fan of you. Right now. I'm home you at the club right now. What if I think, yo, that was me?
Me vlogging for my YouTube channel. We're in the building.
Yeah, we in the building. We in the building. Right here, right now. Right here, right now.
Okay, we're here.
Yo, what's up? It's BTS Cheeks. I'm here with the beautiful Sofia. Come on, bro. I'm proud of you. You did your thing. I can't wait to see the greatness you provide. Let's go.
Thank you. We're in the diner scene.
Yes, we are. Beautiful things coming. It's gonna be great. Good times.
What
good
soup
people.
do you have?
It's always the soup of the day, you know?
The soup of the day.
What's the soup of the day? You gotta figure it out. Was it chowder? Was it tomato? Chicken noodle?
Behind the scenes.
But it's something.
Working with them was a pleasure,
Big
guys.
vlog over here.
Big vlog. Like, comment, subscribe. You
Like,
already
comment,
know.
subscribe. Check it out.
Hey, it's my parents. They're at my premiere. Well, it's not mine. It's Marcus's. I'm in it, but
Music video premiere.
Why?
June 20 something.
June 26th. Yeah. Let's
Sunday
go.
night.
All right, we're here. All right. Oh my gosh. Here we are. It's so blurry, but we're here.
We're here.
We're watching.
We're out here. What's going on YouTube? That's a video.
That's
Yeah, that's
What's going on YouTube? Hey Anthony. It's my family. We're all popping out. Hey, hi.
So what's going on YouTube?
Hey, so this is the videographer and photographer. You can link your social.
You know what it is, man. It's Cat Burgundy. Follow me on all platforms. That's how they say it, the rappers.
Yeah.
Yo, follow me on Instagram at Cat Burgundy. You know, you want to get some photo shoots, some videography work, hit me up.
Yes. And this is his candy.
It's Papa. That's August. I gave him a light skin.
Adorable. Light skin.
So you be on table mix and stuff.
Marcus, the one and only. He's out here hugging and thanking everyone that came. He is the artist. Yeah. We'll get a better video of him soon, but right now, there he is. Oh, mommy got a hug.
Marcus, nice to meet you, man.
Hi, okay.
This is the superstar right here. What's going on, everybody? We really here. We about to see the big star on the big screen.
Aw, no, he's the star too.
Nah.
Yeah, he's the star. Got myself a red cherry slushie. My dad got it for me. We got popcorn here.
Popcorn. No cookie slice though, because they're being crazy right now.
I'm gonna steal his popcorn.
According to who?
According to me. Okay, the film starts in 3 minutes. So I'll see you guys later and let you know how it goes.
Peace vlog.
Peace. Mwah. Cheers.
Scary. I didn't realize until I sat here. I'm like, damn, nobody's ever seen me play him and I. So that was a little scary. But my boys over there, Krill. Right over there. Hey, Krill.
Let's go. Here we go, Mason.
Yeah, man. I just want to thank everybody for coming out. This was like super dope. And you know, we had this idea for months, and it all birthed from when we began this idea in like January, February. Man, I'll never forget. I was with Chico. Come over here. Everyone say about Chico. Chico! So it was myself, Chico, and Kat. We was actually on set of filming something else, and then that's when we had the idea. It was just like, yo, we gonna premiere this at a movie theater, and we all kind of like laughed because it was like super delusional of me to say. But then we was just like, nah, like I'm being for real. And then we just, you know, now we're here. And then we made it happen. So none of this would have been happening without you guys. So I actually wanted to give the mic to some people if they had anything. But this is not just no regular person that we have in the auditorium. I want you to stand up real quick. This man right here is by far, without a doubt, the greatest artist to ever come out of this state. And if y'all don't know who this is, yeah! I used to write essays about this man's music in 8th grade. I used to write essays about this man's music. Altitude, man, changed my life. And now we homies. And now, you know, we doing our thing. And I just want to let you know before you ask your question that I just want to give you your flowers, bro. I'm saying I love you. First of all, I just want to say this is amazing. Like, to be from Connecticut and see this, like, you brought so many people out. Like, they don't even understand how hard we gotta work being from Connecticut. We don't have the opportunities that people in LA, New York, Atlanta, we gotta work 10 times harder than anybody. So just to do that and to sit here and watch you on this screen act, and everybody know I love acting. I love it. Like, I want to act. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to be, you know, Michael B. Jordan on this. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're not even gonna get into that, but to see you do that by yourself, like, literally, this should be your first. Like, I can't even believe this is your first time on the screen acting. Acting is harder than anything because you got to really get into that mode, and like, it's super inspiring. I'm inspired. Yeah. That's why I wanted to grab the microphone, because I'm super inspired to even like say, you know, Kat, we gonna do a short film too. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what it's gonna be called, but I'm inspired, and I just want to say, yo, keep going, keep acting, because that's a whole different field. It's a whole different bag, bigger than the music bag. I promise you. The movie bags is different, so just keep going, man. Like, your brain is amazing, and I'm inspired.
Everybody's play a little of his
Produced by Blurry Vision, myself, the talented.
Everyone's taking photos.
Oh my God.
I told you I'd dress up.
Oh my God, you look amazing. Fire. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Oh, am I in your shot? Oh, no.
Awesome. Man, how did you like this?
I loved it. I started laughing.
Okay, you
Oh my God, it's just crazy to see myself.
So I'm definitely gonna have him send y'all. It's gonna be on YouTube. Is that a video or is
Yeah, it's for my YouTube channel.
Oh, this is a video.
Yes.
What's going on, guys? This is the
What's going on,
incredibly
guys?
talented. This is the incredibly talented Sofia.
One. I was a waitress.
Amazing premiere.
She messed up
an
with the
actress
soup.
right here. The soup of the day.
Lucky Paul not here to get on.
Mr. Krill.
Yes. Picture with like all of them.
Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, everyone, where's
But I'll let you guys get a solo shot.
Yeah, hold on, I'm gonna do the marketing solo. Can I do it? All right, I'll tell you to do it.
What the hell was that? I got my family here, Kat. Bang, bang, bang. Come here, Lo.
Oh. All right, guys, I'm gonna grow taller one day. So 5'2". Okay, guys, so that's it. What did you think?
It was a good time, you know?
It was like
It was a good time. I felt a little famous for a good 5 seconds, you know? Felt
right.
good.
We need a part 2. Marcus, if you're listening, part 2.
Part 2, ready, down for it. All I need is $5 and a piece of bubble gum, and I'm in the film. That's all I need. I don't need much.
Right. No, exactly. So, okay, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and get ready.
Vlog out.
Out.